Looking for an easy peasy dinner idea? Look no further. With store-bought peri-peri sauce from Nando's, you can whip up a delicious meal in no time. No need to spend hours in the kitchen making the sauce from scratch. Just grab a bottle of Nando's peri-peri sauce and you're good to go. You can add some additional seasoning of your choice, whether you're grilling chicken, roasting veggies, or sauteing shrimp. This sauce will add a flavorful kick to any dish. Simply marinate your protein or veggies in the sauce, cook them up, and enjoy a quick and tasty meal. With Nando's peri peri sauce, dinner is a breeze. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Stay connected.